Alright guys, short little video. Here's the final design for the flaps, the handle flaps for the back of the camper. This is how you'll get them. It'll have 3 of these, one plastic razor blade. So what you'll do is when you get the package, you'll take the plastic razor blade. I'm doing the plastic razor blade so it doesn't scratch the camper, but when they made the campers, they put a little too much glue around the handles, so it extrudes over the sides. So just take this, run it up and down along the edges, corners, and get the glue off. This won't scratch the camper, but it'll let you get the glue off the edges here. Cut it flush, nice and flush all the way around. Then what you'll do is make sure that the handle flap fits on there. Should have just a little bit of wiggle room. I made them just a little big so you can center them. You'll take it, make sure you clean this. Make sure this is a warm surface. Don't do this on a cold day or wet. So dry it off, clean it. Don't worry about the scratches. That was from me washing it with the mud all over it. But so you'll take the black tape off the back of the flap cover here. All right, tape is off the back, or the red is off the tape. Put it on, get it centered. Like I said, you'll have a little bit of wiggle room. Try to get it as centered as you can. Make sure that it looks good. I mean, you only want to do this one time, obviously, so we'll get that on there. It's on. Make sure that you're around all the edges there. And then hold on to it. This is easier with 2 hands, but hold on with one hand and use your other hand to push down the tape to stick the tape. Make sure it's on there real good, and you'll be good. Simple as that. Lift it up, get to your handle. If you do it just a little bit, it'll stay like that. Just push on it, it'll go right back on it. But if you got it up, flop it down, it'll go right by itself. I've driven up to 80 miles an hour. The ones, I just took one off just to put that back on to show you guys, but these ones have all been on for over a week. No issues at all. Got a little dirt in there from the other day when I pressure washed the truck. If you pressure wash it, it's gonna shove stuff up there, obviously, but this was clean from our trip. But no issues so far. They've been working great. I had ½ inch of mud on this thing and had nothing on the handles, nice and clean the whole camping trip. But yeah, what you'll notice, I had to make them really thin in the middle because the handle extrudes out right here. Extrudes out, goes past. It's not flat here, so the center is thin. So when you're in the sun or whatever, you'll see kind of an indent in this. That's what I had to do to get it to fit correctly, not make this an inch thick. But yeah, as you can see, this was the old design. I just had the silver magnets with the new one. After I put the magnets in, I just kind of put some black permanent paint on there just so they don't stick out as much. But I mean, you don't see them from the outside anyways. So, but yeah, these will be up on Etsy hopefully this week, next week. They'll be around $55–60 for the set of 3. And the razor blade that comes with it. They're pre-taped already, so they'll come to you guys just like this. Tape is put on with adhesion promoter, so you shouldn't have any issues with it coming off after it's on. So, all right guys, appreciate all you. Catch you on the next one.